You are not going to get rich buying Bitcoin as a small trader. Now, this is not one of those copy paste content or ChatGPT content, but this is something from a genuine place of personal research that I'm giving to you guys. Buying Bitcoin right now won't make you rich, except you are one of those hedge funds, you have billions of dollars or millions of dollars. Even though you have millions of dollars, buying Bitcoin will make you little gains. All right. If you want to make money in crypto, buy altcoins. What kind of altcoins? Look for altcoins below $100 million in market cap that still have potential to go to $1 billion. Altcoins within $500,000 in market cap or less than $100,000 in market cap. Those are the kind of coins that you should look forward to buy, not buying Bitcoin. At the point, Bitcoin is going to become like a stable coin. Okay, that's how Bitcoin is going. It's going to become like a stable coin that will give you a good passive yield, not something that's going to make you extremely rich or something that's going to make you rich. Passive means probably you're going to get like about 10% or 5% increment after like about 5 months or 3 months, something thereabout. But if you really want to make money buying and selling cryptocurrency, look forward to buying altcoins. Leave all those coins that are in their billions of dollars in market cap and look for those that are below $100 million in market cap and buy. If you can get those good coins that are in $500,000 in market cap, buy those ones. In fact, that's what I make video on. Okay, you can watch my next video or my previous videos where I review some good and potential altcoins. Now, if you have, let's say, $100,000 or $30,000 and above, and you want to invest it on a stable in a stable altcoins, you could look forward for cryptocurrencies that are in, let's say, between $500 million to about $1 billion, like crypto like the Jupiter coins, Jupiter cryptocurrency, Ethena, what again, and so many other cryptos within that categories that are already in above $500 million in market cap and buy for a stable yield. Those coins are capable of doing maybe good 3 to 4 or 5x. But buying Bitcoin, you just want to be a crunch to the whales, to the institutional traders. Yeah, I know Michael Saylor gives a lot of good advice about Bitcoin, why people should buy Bitcoin. Yes, if you want to take profit from your altcoin, you can take profit and put it in Bitcoin. Okay, if you want to, Bitcoin is a store of value. You can store your money that you don't want inflation to affect and all of that in Bitcoin. But buying it and saying that you want to get huge amount in profit or something, you're getting it wrong. Michael Saylor is almost just talking to big establishment or other big individuals, companies that, okay, even though Bitcoin goes to $1 million right now, all you're going to get is 10x your money. Why you're getting 10x your money? Bitcoin is about $120,000 right now. Okay, $118,000 right now as I'm making this video. So even though Bitcoin goes to about $10 million and $1 million in market cap, all you're going to get is 10x your money. And by the time you get 10x your money, someone else has already made about 10,000, 1 million x their money. So why not look forward to altcoins? Now, this is an opportunity to also introduce you to this particular cryptocurrency called 𝐬𝐭𝐴𝐿. 𝐬𝐿 is on Solana chain, it's a meme coin, and the creators have a lot installed. It's actually stable in growth right now. I think it's below about $50 million and $50,000 in market cap currently. Here is an opportunity for an entry. All altcoins has been down, and right now they are actually getting revived. You don't want to miss out this wave. So get into 𝐬𝐿. Here's how to buy. All you need to do is get the contract ID. I've pasted in the description, or I'm going to link the link to CoinMarketCap, their CoinMarketCap page in the description. Copy it, the contract address, go to your Jupiter exchange or your Solana on your Phantom. Go to your Jupiter exchange on your Phantom wallet or go to Phantom wallet. paste the contract ID, and swap your Solana into this. So you can buy $100, $1,000, as much as you can, because it's going to go to the moon. Okay,